Thomas Henkelmann is said to be the most French of German chefs. Born in the Black Forest and at an early age of 8 started peeling potatoes at his family's restaurant. Thomas worked in some of Europe's finest 3 Michelin-star restaurants. In 1997, Thomas and his beautiful wife Teresa came to Greenwich to open up their own restaurant, Thomas Henkelmann. Today we're going to be cooking some awesome French dishes, starting with a creamy lobster bisque with a black truffle royale, and then for the entree, an Alaskan halibut with a salmon tartare, and for the dessert we're going to be making an awesome German marzipan tart with a cherry compote and a delicious black cherry ice cream. So join me, Ashley James. I'm just up to the fish supplier to meet Thomas Henkelmann himself, and we're going to buy some great fish.